Hi, boys and girls of Frog Pond Elementary. Today, we're here to look at how you can be a good friend to someone online. We all use the internet, and I know we all want to be good friends. So let's take a second and look at our rules for going online. First of all, there are people out there called cyberbullies. A cyberbully is someone who does mean things using phones, computers, tablets, or anything else that goes on the internet. These people might say mean things to you. They might even try to embarrass you or a friend of yours. If they do that, they are cyberbullying you. So what are some things a cyberbully might do? They might exclude someone. They might say mean things. A lot of times a cyberbully will embarrass someone by posting private information. They might even threaten to hurt someone. A cyberbully could trick someone into giving private information. They might spread rumors about you. They could possibly pretend to be someone else online or even pretend to be you online. And a cyberbully tries to get others to say and post mean things too. So what should you do if you or a friend of yours is being cyberbullied? First of all, if you know someone who's being cyberbullied, you should absolutely stand up for that person. Tell an adult. Make sure that you let the teacher or the principal and your mom and dad know what's going on. Report it to the site or app. Collect evidence. That means make sure that your friend or you is printing out and taking screenshots of the cyberbullying that's happening. And of course, let them know you care. We know that good friends care about each other, and letting someone know that you don't think those things about them might really help them. So what if you're being cyberbullied? Please make sure you tell someone. Ask for help. Talk to an adult. Could be your mom or dad. Could be the principal. Could be your teacher. Could be your lunch aide. Just make sure you ask for help from someone. Why is this so important? Frogs stick together. You know that. We don't want our friends to be depressed. Kids who are cyberbullied, they miss a lot of school. They feel depressed. Sometimes they might even hurt themselves. Remember, boys and girls, speak up, stand up, and stay away from cyberbullies.